Hello everyone, Joanne here from Coast to Coast with Joanne. Today I am going to talk about the Cortez tree. We are right at the end of the dry season here in Nicaragua, and this is when these trees suddenly come to life. They are called the Cortez tree, Tabebuya ocracea, and they are native to Central America. Some say that they are named after Hernan Cortez, who was a Spanish explorer that came to the Americas in the 1500s. But what I love most about these trees is when they bloom. If you see here in this landscape shot that I took, everything around them is brown and brittle and just like aching for the rain. But yet, these trees bloom anyway. They are bright and bold with shocking yellow, and they are impossible to miss. To me, they're a reminder of, even in the hardest seasons, one still has the ability to grow, to show up, and to be something beautiful. And just like these trees, sometimes you are the bridge to easier days.